Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the day 1 outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses portions of central Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, northwestern Arkansas, most of Missouri, most of Illinois, extreme southeastern Iowa, parts of Indiana, southeastern Wisconsin, and far western Michigan. Cities in today's slight risk include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, sorry, I went out of order, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. And we have a marginal today that covers portions of central Texas, far northwestern and far southeastern Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, central Kansas, I should say, parts of Missouri, parts of Arkansas, far eastern Iowa, extreme northwestern and far southern Illinois, parts of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, most of Michigan, and parts of Wisconsin. Cities in today's marginal include Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Fort Worth, Texas, Kansas City, Missouri, and Arlington, Texas. Now going to today's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses portions of central and south central Oklahoma and north central Texas. Cities in today's 5% tornado risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Lawton, Oklahoma. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses parts of central Texas, much of Oklahoma, extreme southeastern Kansas, northwestern Arkansas, parts of Missouri, much of Illinois, southeastern Wisconsin, the northern half of Indiana, far northwestern Ohio, and much of Michigan. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk area today include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, St. Louis, Missouri, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. Going to the wind threat for today, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers portions of central Texas, most of Oklahoma, extreme southeastern Kansas, northwestern Arkansas, much of Missouri, most of Illinois, not far, but southeastern Wisconsin. Not just far southeastern, but much of southeast Wisconsin, I'm going to say. Much of southeast Wisconsin, far western Michigan, and parts of Indiana. Cities in today's 15% wind risk area today include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. And a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of Texas, northwestern and southeastern Oklahoma, southeast Kansas, parts of Missouri, parts of Arkansas, far eastern Wisconsin, not Wisconsin, I meant far eastern Iowa. Extreme northwestern and southern Illinois, parts of Wisconsin, parts of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and much of Michigan. Cities in today's 5% wind risk area today include Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, and Toledo, Ohio. And the hail threat now, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses parts of central Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, northwestern Arkansas, most of Missouri, extreme southeastern Iowa, most of Illinois, northwestern Indiana, southeastern Wisconsin, and southwestern Michigan, or far western Michigan, I should say. Cities in today's 15% hail risk area today include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and St. Louis, Missouri. Now, if you look at the black dashed area covers portions of central Texas and parts of Oklahoma. The black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. The black dashed area encompasses Oh, come on. Why are you updating this? Anyway, the black dashed area encompasses the cities included in the black dashed area include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Abilene, Texas, Norman, Oklahoma, and Wichita Falls, Texas. So, and again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. So, and there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses parts of central Texas, northwestern and southeastern Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, parts of Arkansas, parts of Missouri, far eastern Iowa, far northwestern and southern Illinois, parts of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, much of Michigan, and parts of Wisconsin. So, cities in the 5% hail risk areas today include Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Fort Worth, Texas, and Kansas City, Missouri. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible from the parts of the southern plains northeastward toward the upper Great Lakes, mainly from late afternoon into early Saturday morning. Large to very large hail and severe wind gusts should be the main hazards, especially across the southern plains where storms will be more concentrated. A few tornadoes also appear possible. So, that's the Day 1 outlook. So, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight. And have a plan in place for severe weather today. Have a way of getting your warnings both today and tonight. Have a weather radio, TV, or cell phone on you to alert you of any warnings and watches. So, and have a plan tonight too. Have a plan to wake you up in the middle of the night. Have your TV on or have have something to wake you up. Have something to wake you up in the middle of the night, such as a TV, a cell phone, or weather radio to wake you up in the middle of the night. To take action if severe weather occurs, and if possible, sleep in your safe place tonight to avoid moving in the middle of the night. So, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, and my day 2 outlook will come out later today. Take care.